Can you spot a narcissist by their dead or black eyes? While social media claims these soulless stares are a dead giveaway, the science is a bit more complicated. Some research suggests a link between a lack of empathy and a vacant look, but this dead-eyed gaze can also be caused by trauma, fatigue, or even just boredom. Interestingly, while the internet claims narcissists have black, dilated pupils, studies suggest those with NPD might actually experience pupil dilation less frequently. Believe it or not, eyebrows might be a better clue. One study found that people with NPD often have fuller, more meticulously groomed eyebrows. Beyond looks, real indicators include an intense need for praise, a sense of entitlement, and a quickness to anger. Just remember, no matter how intense the stare or how perfect the eyebrows, only a licensed therapist can provide a real diagnosis.